right? Organic leads. Okay, organic leads. You are referring to organic leads. Social media. From there you can get, right? You can get from what? Like for example, let me take one example. Let me go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com. So I'm going to LinkedIn.com now, and then searching for, let's say, you want to target IT professionals. Okay. IT professionals, you can say software guys, software engineers. Okay, software engineers. Click that. And you've got go to select this people. So software engineers, let's see whether we can get, okay, example Bangalore. So Bangalore. So Bangalore alone has got 1,83,000 people. Okay, 1,83,000 people are available in Bangalore in LinkedIn. So these are all potential people for you. And if you want to know the contact details, there is a special one is you can connect with them here, right? If your profile is good, you can connect with them, ask them to connect with you. They can become your connection. This is one way of making them your friends. There is also another secret of how do I get the email ID of this person. Okay, there are certain techniques which tools which are available. Okay, and through those tools, if you look at my my this thing, like for example, let me go to my home. No, I think I could have done that only. All right, let me go back to the same screen. Okay, now I want the email ID of the. He's not in my connection. Okay, right now he's not in my connection, but I want his email ID of this person. Right. So can you see this connect, message, more, and get email? Okay, this get email is a external tool which I have added into my Chrome extension. So if I want to get his email, I can just click this, sign in. I have to sign in for that particular tool that I've already purchased, right? And I can get the person's email ID. Veda Prakash will get this thing. Another way of connecting with him is mutual connection, right? This Savita Reddy is already into your connection. She is already there as a friend of mine. So what I can do is, if I want the email ID, phone number of this person and all that, I can ask this Savita Reddy that I'm interested in connecting with Ved Prakash. Can you refer him to me, right? Or can you refer me to him? So I can ask this person because she is already into my connection. So it tells me one mutual connection. This is how you can generate organic leads. It is all time consuming, but it is all a very good way of getting leads without spending money. If you spend about 1 hour every day and want to generate about 10-15 leads like this, it is a very good exercise of spending 1 hour and getting about 10-15 leads during that time. Okay, they're all prospects who are likely to purchase your property. You can communicate to them the property details later on after they become your friends. This is one way of doing it. Other way of generating leads is just go to one simple tool I will tell you, right? Go to Google. Okay, go to Google. So let me say that I want uh, go to @ okay, linkedin.com Gmail. Okay, linkedin.com Gmail. Or no, not that one. Sorry, that's not the way. LinkedIn, okay, @gmail.com. So here, and I want specifically, let's say I want Bangalore. Okay, you can mention Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, anything for that matter. And for that particular city, you want to generate the details. I can put Bangalore, and I can ask, and I've got so many results, right? So what I can do is go to more. I mean, there are tools available here. Okay, I will copy all these things. Let's go, and I'll copy all these things. Right click, copy this, and then now I'm going to go to Super Tools. Super Tools. Okay. Go to Super Tools. Then in the Super Tools, what I do, I go to this email. There is something called email text extraction tool. Okay. So click that. It will open up. And whatever you have copied in Google, you need to paste it here. Okay. The whole thing gets pasted. The whole thing gets pasted. Okay. And then you say get data. What happens is that the data comes here. So you can see bangalore.priyanka@gmail.com, vivek.motwani@gmail.com, komera-akriti687@gmail.com. So I've got people who are in LinkedIn, right? These details on the right side. I've got 7 emails from the first page. So I can go to next page, and then extra. These are all freely available. Okay. So I've given you this free tip today for you to understand how you can extract the Gmail account of people who are in LinkedIn. Okay. So when you do this, you can do a mass campaign. You can go, then you see here, I go to get response. So what I can do is, let me show you my get response tool. So I go to my get response. Okay. So get response is a software tool that I've purchased. In fact, it's an autoresponder tool that I've taken. So I pay $65 per month for this. And it is very useful to me because I can send autoresponders to many people. So nearly about 6,000 people are connected with me in that. Okay, login. So this is my list. Okay, then I can create a new list here. Okay, just I'll show you how to create a new list. I can give a name. LinkedIn lists. Okay, LinkedIn Gmail _ lists. Since I've created already, I'm just taking that, and I'll show you live demo of how I'm adding my contacts here, right? So I go add contacts. Okay, I can go one by one, or I can go uploading a Excel sheet. Okay, in the Excel sheet, so what I can do is I can go to WAP, where I've already maintained some data, Excel data. So I go here and I will add a new column, new worksheet I'll add. Sheet 16 is added now. So I'm going to now paste whatever email IDs that I've collected. Sorry, I think I didn't do that. Where was the email? So I'm copying this and pasting it in this particular Excel sheet. Okay. Now this I'm just going to show you as a sample. Now I download this as CSV. Come here and upload it. I have the permission. Next, email import. So seven lists have been uploaded in the LinkedIn Gmail list. 7 people are there. I can keep on next page. I can keep on adding as many numbers, as many email lists. Then after this, I can keep on sending them mails and all that. Okay, so this is how you need to do this, generate organic leads. For this, you need to spend time.